It was about looking at an introduction to integrated curriculum financial planning, why it's important, how it can be used in schools, how it can be used to improve and assist schools in both their budgeting and improving strategic decision making and the use of scarce resources in schools for the benefit of their students.
Had a great day here at the School Business Managers Conference. In my speech we were talking a little bit about national changes, funding, Brexit, curriculum planning, and just really giving a flavour for all of the changes and challenges that school business managers have to deal with.
It was great today. It was so lovely to meet so many different people from around Greater Manchester. At the moment we network in small cluster groups and over email, so we don't always get a chance to meet each other in person.
Yes, my workshop today was about having robust accident investigation in schools, primary schools, high schools, multi-academy trusts, really so business managers and school leadership teams are able to know what to do if the worst were to happen, but also to have good policies and procedures and training in place, and the main thing being really to stop it happening again.
And the way One Education did it was great. They did different workshops for different people. They made us all sit with people we hadn't met before, and it was just great sharing experiences, sharing advice and just networking with people we wouldn't have ordinarily spoken to.
It's been brilliant. It's been a really, really informative day. It's always really difficult when you've got really experienced business managers to target things more strategically, but the keynote addresses have been targeted right at the same level that they need to be, and then you had the choice then to tap into the areas that you really needed to benefit from by choosing between HR or health and safety or looking at your budget. So it's been really, really informative.